What if I told you that two companies can have the exact same employees, the exact same budget, and the exact same technology, but one delivers products twice as fast while the other creates customers who never want to leave? The difference often comes down to two powerful systems. One helps teams build faster. The other helps companies think like their customers. Today, we're diving into Scrum and customer experience management, two methods that have transformed modern businesses. And wait until you hear how one simple question in the second half of this video can completely change the way you look at every business. Many people know Six Sigma and Lean, but very few understand that organizations also rely on specialized methods depending on the problem they're solving. Scrum is designed for speed and software development, while CEM is designed for customer satisfaction across the entire organization. Section 1. What is Scrum? Originally, Scrum was created specifically for agile software development. It helps teams deliver products quickly. Most Scrum projects operate in short cycles lasting 2 to 4 weeks. Instead of building everything at once, work is completed in short sprints. Teams review and improve after every single one. Software teams collaborating, whiteboards, and digital agile boards are the heart of this process. It's about visible progress. But here's the interesting part. Scrum isn't actually about working faster. It's about eliminating everything that slows teams down. Shorter cycles reduce mistakes and dramatically improve quality. Section 2. The 3 Scrum phases. Let's break down how the magic happens. First, the pre-game. This is where high-level business requirements are transformed into detailed technical plans. Then the game. This is the programming sprints. We review after every sprint and adjust our course quickly. Finally, the post-game. This is all about testing, quality assurance, and preparing for the final release. Most people think software is built at the very end. In Scrum, the product starts becoming usable almost immediately. Section 3. Why Scrum matters. It's not just for tech, it's for any team that values innovation. You get faster innovation, better teamwork, and lower risk because you're improving continuously. Think about creating a mobile app. Traditional methods are like building a skyscraper. You can't live in it until it's finished. Scrum is like building a house room by room. You can move into the kitchen while the bedroom is being painted. But building products faster is only half the battle. What if you're building something nobody actually wants? That's where the next method changes everything. Welcome to the world of customer experience management. Section 4, CEM, was created in the 90s and popularized by world-class organizations like the Virgin Group. It focuses entirely on the customer experience. Every process in the company should exist to improve satisfaction. CEM introduces the outside-in philosophy. It's a fundamental shift in how businesses think. Instead of asking what works for us, we must ask what creates the best experience for our customers. Take shipping. It's not just about logistics. It's about on-time delivery, accurate orders, and affordable rates that delight the user. Even human resources plays a role. We've learned that happier employees naturally create happier customers. From accounting to legal to maintenance, every single department ultimately affects the customer's journey. Here's a question every company should ask. If a process doesn't help the customer in some way, why does it even exist? Think about that. Every single process must add value to the end user. Section 5, CEM strengths. When you master this, the results are powerful and long-lasting. You get customer loyalty, better experiences, and increased spending. Your reputation becomes your strongest asset. CEM relies heavily on customer feedback and data to align the entire enterprise toward one goal. Section 6, Scrum versus CEM. Let's look at how they compare side by side. Scrum's goal is to build products faster, focusing mainly on the development teams. We measure speed and quality. CEM's goal is to improve customer satisfaction across the entire organization. We measure loyalty and experience. But here's the secret. Many world-class companies use both. They build the right things and they build them fast. Six Sigma improves quality, Lean removes waste, Scrum speeds up development, and CEM improves the customer experience. Together, they create organizations that are faster, smarter, and more customer-focused than ever before. If you enjoyed learning about Scrum and CEM, you're going to love the next episode where we explore another overlooked method. Subscribe now so you don't miss it. Remember, great companies don't improve by accident. They improve by design. I'll see you in the next episode.